All right, today is a actually good day for a beach day. Check out. Can you see the sun? Can you see the sky? Can you see how clear? Can you see how cute? Can you see how pretty? Look at her. All right, today's a beach day, so we're gonna go to the beach and we're gonna vlog about it. So let's go.
Blue.
Let's go.
Okay.
Baby girl's gonna drive. Can you do it?
I can do it.
She can do it. Let's go.
I'm scared for my life, actually.
I've only been driving about
Yeah. She just now got her license.
yeah. Because really I'm only 15.
She's 16. Oh my goodness. It is probably the most beautiful day for beach activities in the entire northern hemisphere, North America, Florida, Panhandle, Panama City Beach, Beach Access 95. This is, look how freaking beautiful. It's freaking beautiful. It's freaking beautiful, baby. Okay, it's way too windy, and I don't think you can hear us. So we're just gonna do a cool montage thing. Right now. Okay, we're done with the beach, and we now have gained a friend, Birdie. So Birdie's gonna come with us, and we're gonna eat at Texas Roadhouse, cause my baby girl hungry. One basket of bread, 2 baskets of bread, 3 baskets of bread. We putting down some bread. I'll tell you that right now. We're putting down some bread. Mercy. Look at Allie's. Oh my goodness.
I don't think it's enough.
And Birdie got the kids meal.
What?
My baby can eat.
I ate my food.
The best way to end a spring break night is sneaking into a hot tub. So we snuck into a hot tub. If you like this vlog, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.